Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the 48th challenge of basic JavaScript, which is to make a shopping list using multi-dimensional arrays. In this we are just given to create a shopping list in the variable myList. The list should be multi-dimensional array containing several subarrays. The first element in each subarray should contain a string with the name of the item. The second element should be the number representing the quantity, like this. So we have chocolate bar, we have 15 quantities. There should be at least 5 subarrays in the list. Okay, so we need to make arrays like this. So first of all, let us type the same thing itself, chocolate, then 15 comma, then we'll type milk comma 5, then pencil 3, then pen 5. So now we have 4 sub arrays. We need to have one more. So let us type apple 3. So we have got this much of characters. So let us run the test. Before that, I guess there should be a comma here and here also. So now it is working. So when we run the test, it is working. Now let us move to the next challenge.